I'm gonna be honest, I've seen these Temu free gift videos 100 times, and every single time I rolled my eyes. I thought it was staged, fake, edited, all of it. But after getting asked about it over and over, I finally sat down and tested it myself. And annoyingly, it actually works in 2025 if you activate the right promo code. So here's what I found out. I put the working code right here on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment if you want to try it yourself. I also threw in a few bonus codes that Temu rotates. Those can stack for extra rewards. Now here's the part nobody explains clearly. Temu isn't randomly giving free stuff to everyone. The free gift program only activates when you enter one of the current codes into the app. When you open Temu, scroll down, tap free gift, and enter the code, you'll see a progress bar. That's basically Temu saying, hey, do a few quick interactions and we'll unlock your reward. You tap around, browse what they ask, the bar fills, and once it reaches the end, the item unlocks. Real product, real shipping. I honestly didn't believe it until I saw the confirmation myself. Anyway, if you want to test it like I did, the code is back on the screen and the bonus codes are below. If you try it, comment what you got. I'm still shocked this actually works.